I'm going to show you how you can deploy your game into your Squarespace website from itch.io. If you don't know how to upload to itch.io your WebGL game, you can just check this BMO Space tutorial. Is pretty cool. When we go to our page, game, you can see I have the Rubik's Cube here, displayable. And we go to widgets. Then we go to Embed game. And there's a snippet that we want to use. We can copy it. There's a background, and with height properties, we can preview it as well. So yeah, let's create new page to test page. And let's go to edit. Add a section here, a blank section. Then we add a block here. We want to add embed block here. Then we can go to edit. Link currently doesn't work. I just checked. You should go to code snippet and embed data. We copied this code and we can put it here. So our WebGL game just pops up, and you can center and save it. And it's fully playable. Let's see. Yeah, so you can just play it here.